Yo, so the next question says we should also solve this one. Root 32 minus root 50. Same thing. We're going to break this guy into two, break this one into two. This one is very easy because it's 25 multiplied by 2. Like, you remember that rule, right? And then 32, let it not give me a headache. Let me just think about it. 32. It's 8 times what? It's 16. 16 times 2, basically, right? 16 times 2. Yeah, so what I heard him say this other time, we were doing correction, and I mean, we learn from each other, right? So what he was saying is, for you, I mean, the guy I'm helping with correction, so he was saying that if you have a sud like this, and then you want to break it down into two parts like this, what you do is break it down into a square number and a prime number, right? 2 is a prime number, right? And then this is a square number. Every time, if you have, let's say, 36, well, 36 is not ace. It won't be a side because that's a perfect square, right? Let's look at maybe, mm, 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 anyway, let's look at 24. 24. 24 is what? 24 is not a perfect square, so we can change it into a side. If we're going to break 24 down, think of any square number and then a prime number, right? I can think of 4 and 8, but 8 is not a prime number. So let's think of a prime number. 12 and 2, 12 and 2, but 12 can be further. Uh, but anyway, let's not take too long. I'm just trying to prove that you should break it down into a square number and a prime number. Anyway, 3 is a prime number. 3 goes into 24 how many times? That's basically 8 times, but that's not a square number, right? Which square number goes into 24? It's 4, right? 4 is a square number, but 8 is not a prime number nonetheless. We can do that and that. And then 2, and then we can still further break down 8 into 2 times 4, which is going to give us 2, root 4, root 2. You get that? So, yeah. Anyway, that's how you do it, I guess. Let's get back to our question. Root 16 root 2 minus a root 25 multiplied by root 2. And then that's 4 root 2. Now you know this, right? Now you're like, you know this. You don't, yeah. Root 25 is basically 5 and then multiplied with the root 2. Now, what do you notice? You have basically, or you have evidently what we call common. These are like terms, like because we have the root 2 here. So you can just say 4 root 2 minus 5 root 2. It's basically negative root 2. That is your answer, negative root 2. Let's see if we can fit this one in there. This is the last question on SADs. I think the next videos will be different things. Hopefully other things other than SADs, right? Yeah, I'm done with making content for today. I need to go do other things, but yeah. Anyway, 7, root 7 multiplies everything inside here, right? Which means it's going to be root 7 multiplying 4. That's 4 root 7. And then even here, root 7 is going to multiply 2 root 7. Okay? It's going to be 2 root 7 multiplied by 7. And what do we say? If these two items multiply each other and they're the same, it means that we're just going to get rid of the root. It's going to be 2 times 7, right? Then 4 root 7 plus 14. Yeah, so he has a tendency of here you can see that we have this guy here and this guy. He has a tendency of adding these two together, and he would say it's 18 root 7. This is very incorrect because if we look at this one here, we had like terms. We had a root 2 and a root 2 on either side of this minus sign. But here, we don't have root 7 or root 7. We don't have root 7 on either side, I guess. So, which means we leave it like this. You're done. Anyway, if you want to connect with me, make sure you check the description. Connect with me on Insta, like my videos, and then comment if you want me to do any more math questions. So have a good one.